Why was Bhagwan Krishna born during the dark and rainy night in the Dwapar Yuga? Answer: it was probably decided at the time of Lord Rama's birth in Treta Yuga. At Lord Rama's birth, it was a celebration time in the entire Ayodhya kingdom, so the sun decided to see the child's celebration and stopped moving. Lord Rama is in the sun's lineage. Lord Rama is called as Suryavanshi. Let's read Doha 195 from Balkand in Ramayana. मास दिवस भा मरम न जाने कोय रथ समेत रवि था कियो निसा कमन विधि होय. Meaning, one day became as long as 1 month, and nobody knew the reasons. The god sun, along with his chariot, stopped there, stopped moving. Thus the night could not start as per her scheduled time. Night went to Lord Rama and kind of complained. Her complaint was, the night, the sun is obstructing my way to see you. Why did you take birth during the day and ignore me, ignore night? Lord Rama said, okay, to make you happy, I will come during the night in my next reincarnation. The night became very happy and left. However, the moon was standing by behind the night and asked Lord Rama, what about me? When will I be able to see you then? Rama said, when I will come in the night, you will be automatically there to see me. The moon said, Prabhu, the clouds will obstruct my view of the earth at that time as the sun is obstructing night's view today. Lord Rama, okay, to make you happy, from today onwards, your name will be added after my name. That is why we always say, Bolo Siyapati Ram Chandra ki jai. Chandra is moon. Important point here is the clouds quietly noticed everything. The conversation between moon and Lord Rama, and clouds decided their action at the time of Lord Vishnu's next reincarnation. Now, Lord Krishna's birth happened, as you may have read or heard from others. The clouds were all over the sky. It was a dark night, raining heavily and cloudy. Vasudevji took him, the child Lord Krishna, from Mathura to Gokul in a basket over his head. The clouds got even a better deal, as the raindrops, which is another form of cloud body, fell directly on Lord Krishna. Yamuna river, when Vasudevji entered the Yamuna river with Krishna in a basket on his head, the river Yamuna started rising and rising and rising until Lord Krishna let Yamuna water touch her feet. Only then Yamuna river start going down. Let us see some facts between Lord Rama's birth and Lord Krishna's birth. Lord Vishnu, whose incarnation is Lord Rama as well as Lord Krishna. Lord Vishnu tried to compensate most nakshatras items in his next incarnation of Lord Krishna. Lord Rama and Lord Krishna. Yuga, Lord Rama was born. Yuga is the era of time. Lord Rama was born in Treta Yuga. Krishna was born in Dwapar Yuga. Vishnu's incarnation, Lord Rama was seventh avatar or seventh incarnation. Lord Krishna was eighth avatar or eighth incarnation. Month, Rama was born in month of Chaitra. Krishna was born in month of Bhadav or Shravan, depending on which part of India do you live in. Paksha, Rama was born in Shukla Paksha. Krishna was born in Krishna Paksha. Date, Rama was born in Navami on Navami, ninth day of the 15-day period. Krishna was born in Ashtami on Ashtami, eighth day of 15 days period. Weekday, Lord Rama was born on Tuesday. Lord Krishna was born on Wednesday. We were talking of yugs. There are total four yugs. Satyug, also called as Krita Yug, Treta Yug, Dwapar Yug, and fourth is Kal Yug. Then there are 12 months in a Vikrami year, and each month is divided into two halves of 15 days period. One is called as Krishna Paksh, that means decreasing moon, which is from Purnima to Amavasya. The other one is called as Shukla Paksh, which is increasing moon from Amavasya to Purnima. A Vikrami month starts after Amavasya in the 7 following states of India: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka. In all other remaining states of India, a Vikrami month starts after the Purnima. In order to cover the Shravan month for the entire India, we celebrate at least 6 Shravan Mondays at our temple here in USA.